what's up guys, and welcome back. So in this video we will be talking about the other pages. Okay, we will be basically creating those pages, and then we will also be moving on to the menus in the next video. And in this video we will also be talking about the permalinks. So you can see that in the previous video I told you to change your permalinks, but I didn't tell you what these permalinks are meant for and how do they work. So we'll be talking about those permalinks in this video too as well. Let's go ahead and let's get started. First of all, we need to add the pages that we want to. So you can see if we go to all the pages, we will get a list of all the pages that our website contains. In the previous video, as we actually created the home page, that is why this home page is right here. But this home page is not set to our home page. Okay, I will show you how you can set that home page that we created in the previous video as your home page, so that if you visit this website you actually see it. Okay, but we will do that later. First, let's create the important pages. So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna trash this sample page up right now. Okay, and I'll be just having only home, and then I want to add an about page. So I'm just gonna be writing here about in the title. Let's wait till this is loaded. Here we go. Now I'm just gonna add about. Okay, and here you can just add some content. So for the dummy content, I'm just going to be using a website called lipsum.com, and let's get some dummy content from there. So I'm going to be copying the full paragraph, basically both the 5 paragraphs. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, so you can see that these paragraphs are right here coming as a block. Between them, you can also add an image if you want to. Okay, so you can just select this image, you can just hit upload, and then you can say that what image do you want to upload. So let's suppose that I want to upload this image. Okay, this image is going to be right here. And now I can just resize this image. I can do whatever I want to, but you guys do know about it, so I don't have to explain you. Anyway, let this image be uploaded first, and then we will be just publishing our page. So this image is right here, and now you can see that when I select this block, okay, I get to see this block section here. And now here what I can do, I can just select the image size. I can choose, like, I want it to be thumbnail. I can just align this to center. Okay, so I can align this to center from here, and change block type. I can change the block type. I can change this image to color. I can change this image to cover. Okay, so for the cover, you can see how it behaves. Okay, like it's just right like this. And now I can just add even just like a title here. So the best company. Okay, this is right here. And now this is how it's working. Same like this, I can change the overlay color from here. This is the block setting. Okay, so I have document setting, and I also have a block setting. We will be talking about them in detail, but first let's talk about this. I just select, and you can see now this block is right here. I can just choose it to be fixed background. Okay, so this is how the fixed background is working. When I scroll my mouse over here, you can see how this background is moving. Same like this, I can just uncheck it. I think unchecking it works much better, but it will not move behind it. Same like this, you can also change the overlay color the way you want to. Okay, this is how you can do it. You can also choose a different color if you want to. Okay, so you can choose it to be red or anything else. I'm just going to be choosing it to be black, and I can also increase the opacity of this. So these are the things that you can do to your website with this normal basic website. Okay, so imagine this is a basic website, and when you will be building a professional website, how much things would you be able to do that time. Now we have this advanced, so it says additional CSS class. This is used for actually just coding or advanced styling that we will be learning later on in detail when I will update this course in the future. Okay, so the CSS is not necessary right now. That's all. You are done. And now what you can do, you can just go ahead and you can hit the publish button, and it says, are you ready to publish? You can just select it to be public. Obviously we needed this page to be public. You can also choose it to be private, like it will be only visible to admin and editor. We will be talking about this editor later on when we will be overviewing our user section. Okay, and same like this, you can also password protect it. You can just add a password, and then you can publish it, and when the user will view this, he has to enter the password. So you can do that. Same like this, you can publish this post on a date. Like do you want to post it immediately? Yes, obviously. So now what you can do, you can just hit publish, and that's all. Your page is published. And now what you can do, you can just hit view the page, and you will be taken to the page right here. So this is how it's right here. We have got this about, and this is right here. It says the best company, and everything is right here. So I am actually liking this article. This this is basically a page. Okay, so it's just a simple, basic, normal page. Okay, now we have got the about page. Now let's talk about the contact pages. You can also just come up here, just hover your mouse over here, new section, and then you can just select page from here. So this will also just create a new page window section from there, instead of just going to the dashboard and then doing the things. Okay, now here what you need to do, you need to add the contact us. Okay, and now when we add the contact us, you can see it's right here. Now here you can add some content. So I'm just gonna be adding the dummy content that I have, and I think I should be working up with only. So there we go. Our contact us page is also ready. Same like this, you can also change the settings of the text. Okay, you can change the font size to be like large, you can change the font size to be huge, normal. Okay, same like this, you can change it to be small if you want to. You can also choose a different pixel if you want to. Okay, so you can increase it the way you want, and you can decrease it. Okay, so I'm just gonna be choosing the normal right here, and you can see it's right here. Same like this, you can change the color. So you can change the background color of this. Okay, you can change the text color of this. You can change it to be black, you can choose it to be gray, you can choose it to be white. So these are the basic colors that you can choose. If you want to choose a pretty different color, you can also do that too. That's how you can do it. So I think it's looking pretty great right here. Now what you can do, you can also choose the drop cap. So drop cap means that the first letter is going to be the capitalized. Okay, so that it just looks great. And if you have seen the novels, so in the novels they have the first letter always capital, like this. Okay, some novels, not every novel. And then what you can do, you can just go ahead and you can hit the publish button. Okay, and you can just hit publish. That's all. So this is how you can go ahead and you can create as many pages as you want. And now when you will go to all the pages, you will see a list of all the pages that you have. Let's go ahead and let's see. So we have home, we have contact, and we also have the about right now. Now let's talk about the document settings of a page. Okay, this is really very important. So you can see that if I just go to the contact us, so these are here the document settings. Okay, now let's talk about them first by first. So you can see that we are actually done with this right now. Status and visibility, you can change the visibility to public. You can change the publish time to be just like, you can change it to be like before, and you can change it to be after, like when you want to publish that in the future. Same like this, you can also delete the post. Now here we have the permalink. So let's talk about the permalink. Let me open up this page. You can see that in the dashboard I have some links, and I can see this view page right now. So I'm just gonna open this up in a new tab, and now see this, guys. Okay, you can see this is just like itanzeel.com/contact-us. Okay, so this is the link that I'm getting right now. Let's suppose that I don't want this to be just like contact-us. I want this is coming because I have written my title to be contact us, and this is automatically coming from here. Let's suppose that I want it to be just like normal contact, so it should be /contact because it looks much better. Okay, so how can I do that? Here comes the permalink. So in the permalink, you can actually enter your URL, and here will be the preview URL. So you can see that -us is already added because of this. Okay, so now if you change this -us, okay, like you keep it only contact, and then you just go ahead and you just hit publish. And then you come up here, and then you refresh the website. You will see that contact us will not work. And if you just go to only /contact, it will work then. So let's see if it's working or not. And here we go. So we are actually seeing the contact us page, and it's looking pretty great. So this is how you can go ahead and you can just work with the permalinks. Now let's talk about the featured image. So featured image means that how you want this, do you want to add any link to the page or not? So you can just select a featured image here, and then you can choose it from the media library that we have. And let's choose a featured image for this boot. So I'm just going to be choosing this image, and I'm going to be selecting this page image. Okay, and then this image will come right here. Okay, and now when I will just come up here and I will update this page, and then I will come up here and I will refresh this page. So maybe this theme will show this image, or maybe this will not, and you can see how this theme is showing it. Okay, so the featured image is coming right here. Okay, and when I go down, this is like this. So you can see that how this image is looking. So it's just another WordPress site. This is this right here, and this is the contact us coming up right here. So everything that we have and that is coming right here is totally the working of or this website. Okay, so you can see this is how the thing is coming, and different themes have different functionalities. So we will be talking about themes later on when you will understand about that everything about pages and post. Then we will be moving on to the themes. Okay, so same like this, you can just go ahead and you can just add the featured image to all the pages that you want to. Okay, so I will be doing that because I really like it. Okay, now what you can do, you can just go ahead and you can work on the discussions. So discussion means that whether you want to allow users to comment on this page. Okay, why would anyone want to allow the users to comment on this page? Comments should be only visible to the blog. Okay, so blog means like a post. Like have you seen websites where there is a blog? Like I download blog. Let me just show it to you. This is a blog that I really like to read, and this is just like a blog. Okay, so it doesn't have pages. Okay, it does have pages basically, but it has so many posts. Like you can see, this is a post, this is a post. Okay, this is a post like this, how to view full email headers in the mail app on Mac, and I just view it. So it's like that. Okay, the title is right here, the content is right here, and everything we have here is totally coming right here. Same like this, the permalink that we have here is just like this, and we also have the date coming. So we will be talking about this date and everything later on when we are doing up our post. Okay, not right now. So this is how the posts are done. Now you can see that we are totally done with our pages. So we are also done with this right now. The contact us and about us. Now we will be talking about the order. So we will be talking about this order later on. The order means that you can see that when we go to the all pages, then you will see that the contact will be coming. The latest publish will be coming up here. So if you want to change the order of that page, you can also change it, but the order does not matter in WordPress that much, because the menus are actually not dynamic. You can just drag and drop the menus. So we will be talking about that later on. Let's go ahead and let's just end this lecture, and in the next video we will be talking about how you can go ahead and how you can just work with the homepage, how you can make your homepage actually the page that is going to be the homepage. So if I just go to home, you can see it's just like itanzeel.com/home. It's behaving as a normal page. So in the next video I will tell you how you can go ahead and how you can make this homepage actually the homepage. Stay tuned and bye bye.